Hey everybody, this is Ken here in Blessed Farm. We'll show you real quick this morning our brand new baby turkey chicks and how our garden's heading out. Be right back with you. There's Mama and her babies. They're all doing really well. And then our proud daddy right here, he hadn't left her sight. But they're all doing really well. Morning everybody. Rise and shine. Come on out, single file. One more in there. Maybe not. Alright guys, you doing alright this morning? Okay. There you are, Buster. Next door neighbor's rooster's here now. There's my new main guy right there. Little disappointment with the garden. Our corn's not doing so great. Trying to figure they've got lots of ants this year. They're eating them up on us. And our garlic, the carrot beds, you can see them coming up there. Watermelon and cantaloupe. All of our tomatoes. We've all got small tomatoes on already. Squash, okra. Our squash, see the blooms on there? We got 2 squash off there already. But they're coming on really good. And here's my wonderful potatoes. Whites and golds. Our cabbages. All of our peppers. All these are our peppers. And then down that road there is our broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Next to that is more cabbage. And then we've had 6 rows of onions over there, bigger onions. Serranos and jalapenos, cilantro, and some more cabbage. And there's our wonderful deck that we like to sit on and relax. Hey guys, how are you? How are you this morning? How'd you get so wet? Alright. So there you go guys. There's our brand new turkey chicks. Our chickens waking up early in the morning. The cats, they're hanging around and waiting to be fed. They're next. And how well our garden's doing. It's doing pretty good. Like I said, I'm kind of disappointed in the corn, but we're still plugging at it and trying and see what we can do. We got some help there with Danny down there at Deep South Homestead, and got some suggestions from him, and maybe we can get them going. So that's all I got for now, guys. I appreciate you being here, appreciate you subscribing and watching. Hey man, you can see us here, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you have any questions, suggestions, man, put them down below in the comments. And hey man, we love y'all, live well, and of course and always, man, God bless y'all. See y'all really soon.